In today's video, we're going to talk about simple ways to save money that anyone can apply, whether you're on a tight budget or just looking to save a little more each month. Explain why this video matters. Saving money is crucial for achieving financial freedom. And the best part is that small changes in your spending habits can add up quickly over time. I'm going to walk you through some simple yet powerful money-saving strategies you can start using right away. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical money tips and advice. Let's dive right into it. 1. Track your spending. Why it's important. The first step to saving money is knowing where your money is going. You can't change your spending habits until you understand your current habits. Discuss how many people don't realize where their money is spent. Personal story. Example. Share a personal example of how tracking your spending changed your financial habits. How to do it. Start by tracking every single expense. This can be done using budgeting apps like Mint. Why an ABU need a budget? Or even an old track everything. Even the smallest purchases like coffee, snacks, or transportation costs. Use categories for your spending, groceries, entertainment, dining out, so you can see where your money is leaking. Visualization. Show examples of how you've tracked your expenses using an app or a simple spreadsheet. Tip 2. Create a budget. Why a budget is essential. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Explain the importance of categorizing your expenses, needs versus wants. How to create a simple budget. I recommend using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, housing, utilities, food. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, and 20% goes to savings or debt repayment. Tool recommendation. Suggest easy-to-use budgeting apps like Mint or EveryDollar. If you prefer paper, the envelope system can work to just divide your money into envelopes based on your categories. Example. Walk through an example budget, highlighting where to allocate different amounts based on income. Try setting up a budget today. Even if it's just for a month, you'll see where your money is going. Tip 3. Eliminate unnecessary subscriptions. Why subscriptions add up. We all have subscriptions that we forget about. Magazines, streaming services, fitness memberships. They're sneaky little expenses that can add up to hundreds of dollars a year. How to identify them? Check your bank or credit card statements for recurring charges. Think about services like Netflix, Spotify, or gym memberships you don't use anymore. If you haven't used something in the last few months, it's time to cancel it. Suggest tools like Truebill or Bobby that can help you track and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Example. Share a personal experience of a subscription you canceled and how much it saved you. Go through your subscriptions right now and see if you can cut any of them out. 4. Shop smart. Why smart shopping matters. When we shop, we often make impulse purchases, thinking we're getting a great deal, but without a plan, we end up overspending. How to shop smart. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Can I find a better deal? Can I wait for a sale? Tips for shopping smarter. Use price comparison tools like Google Shopping, Honey, or Camel to find the best prices online. Wait for major sales like Black Friday or Cyber Monday for big-ticket items. Use coupons. Cashback websites like Rakuten or even cashback apps on your phone. Personal. Example. Share an example of a time you waited for a sale and saved a significant amount of money. Next time you go shopping, remember, patience can save you money. Tip 5. Cook more. Eat out less. Why eating out is expensive. Eating out is one of the most expensive habits we have, especially when you're dining out multiple times a week. How cooking at home can save you money. Not only is cooking at home healthier, but it's also way more affordable. You can cook an entire meal for a fraction of what you'd pay at a restaurant. Tips for cooking at home. Meal prepping is a great way to save time and money. Cook large batches of meals on Sunday and store them for the week. Look for budget-friendly recipes that use affordable ingredients. Example: share a simple recipe or meal prep idea, showing how much money it saves compared to eating out. Start cooking at home more often. It's a simple and effective way to save big. Tip 6. Use public transportation or carpool. Why transportation is a hidden cost. Car payments, insurance, and fuel can add up quickly. If you're driving every day, you're spending more money than you think. How to save on transportation. Use public transportation if it's available in your area. Or start carpooling with friends or coworkers. If you need a car, consider switching to a more fuel-efficient model. Example: share how much money you could save on transportation by using public transit or carpooling. Summary of let's recap the 5 simple ways to save money. Track your spending, create a budget, eliminate unnecessary subscriptions, shop smart, and cook more at home. These are small changes, but when you stick to them, they'll add up to significant savings over time. I hope these tips were helpful. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.